In a world overflowing with noise, the pursuit of clarity, whether in sound, thought, or action, has become increasing variable. The praise on environmental interfering sound evoke the image of perfectly silent, controlled environment in which only the instant signal or message can be heard. While silence may be rare in natural world, humans have long sought ways to eliminate or reduce unwanted noise in order to enhance precision, understanding, and effectiveness. This concept applies not only technical domain, such as audio recording, broadcasting, and laboratory testing, but also in communication learning and personal focus. Understanding why environmental and interfering sound are problematic and how to prevent them is key to improving both technical performance and human experience. Defining environmental and interfering sound to fully appreciate the significance of this idea, we must first define the term environmental sound are the background noise naturally present in given location. They might be the hum of an air conditioner, the character of people nearby, traffic rumbling in the distance, or birds chirping outside and window. While someone environmental sounds can be pleasure or harmless, they can also intrude on situations that demand high levels of clarity. Identifying sound are unwanted noise that disrupt of, or distort the main sound of interest. This may environmental in origin, but they can also mechanical, such as microphone handling noise or equipment bus. Electrical or radio inter- interference, such static or even procedural people talking about over one another interfering sound are particularly problematic when goal in the capture or transmit information accurately, whether that scientific measurement, a musical performance, or a crucial government conversation. The importance or silence in technical application in technical field, the absence of environmental and interfering sound is essential for accurate and quality. Consider audio recording a singer's voice recorded in studio without proper sound. Isolation might be polluted, polluted by the faint honk of car outside or the hum of refrigerator in the next room. Even if the primary performance is flawless, the noise become part of the recording diminishing its professional quality. This is why recording studios are often built with soundproof walls, floating floor, and vibration, isolating mounts of four microphone and equipment. They design choices ensure that nothing distracts from the purity of the recorded sound. Similarly, in broadcasting and in performance, unwanted noise can distract an audiences and reduce intelligibility. Imagine a new anchor beli- delivering critical information about natural disaster, while construction noise bleed into the broadcast feed. Not only would this undermine professionalism, but it could also cause misunderstanding among viewers. In such context, in environmental and interfering sound is not merely luxury, it is a necessity. Application in science and research. Silence is equally important in scientific research, where environmental and interfering sound can literally new result. In acoustic experiments, for instance, researcher of them work in no choice, any choice chambers, specialized room designed to absorb all the reflection of sound and isolate the space from external noise. Such condition allow to precise measurement or how should behave in a controlled environment. Without such control, background noise could corrupt the data. Even in research field outside acoustic, controlling for environmental noise is important. Consider seismology scientists studying small earth tremors must ensure that the vibration from nearby construction vehicle or even footstep do not interfere with their measurement. In medical diagnosis such as auscultation, listening, or the internal sound of the body, environmental noise can mask critical indicator of disease. The concept of moving interface those become synonymous with ensuring accuracy and reliability. Communication and learning that principle of eliminating environmental and interfering sound extend beyond specialized technical setting into the real realm of everyday humans instruction. Clear communication relies heavily on the ability to hear and understand words without distract in classroom. For example, constant hum, a background noise can significantly reduce the student comprehension and retention of material. Teacher may raise their voice to compensate, leading to vocal strain and further difficulty in maintaining clarity. In business meeting, even environmental sound, whether the clicking of coffee cup in a cafe or the background sheet cutter in an open plan office, can make it hard for participants to focus on what is being said. This is particularly challenging in virtual meeting where microphone often pick up not only the speaker's voice but also the sound of typing paper shuffling or breaking dogs mini conversing conferencing.